Welcome back guys, I hope you have understood the basic concept of classes and objects. In next video, I'm going to talk about a very important concept, that is encapsulation, and how encapsulation plays an important role in protecting your object data. So stay tuned, let's get started.
Alright guys, in this video now I'm going to talk about encapsulation, and this is really one of the important principles that software engineer, or I would say software programmers, use while coding. So let's get started. Okay, I'm going to talk about encapsulation overview, then I'll give some lights on what are the benefits of encapsulation. Alright guys, so encapsulation is nothing a new term, it's a very realistic term, or I would say it's a very realistic concept that we see quite often around us. You have seen medical capsule where that capsule contains some medicines and it is hidden from the outside world with the help of that plastic wrapper, right? We have seen gifts are enclosed in some sort of hard paper or cardboard or wrapper which will protect the gift from external interference. So that is the basic fundamental of encapsulation, which ensures how you can protect your object data from external interference or misuse. So similarly, in software world, it is termed as binding of object data and its associated behavior or function that operates on data into single unit, that is class. In last video, I talked about classes and objects. If you have not seen that video, I would recommend go and just watch that video. Alright. Main advantage of encapsulation is data protection from external misuse and interference. And when we are enclosing data and function into a class, so we try to associate only related function. We should not do unrelated function or associate unrelated function with the object attributes. Let's take another view. On the left hand side, I mentioned class is a unit which consists of data members plus methods, behaviors or functions, and same way I try to depict with the help of capsule, which is containing few data members and function. Alright guys, so I hope you have got some basic idea of encapsulation and you have seen this principle quite a lot in real-time world, and you have seen a lot of real-time examples, right? So there are key benefits. First benefits is the data security, because it ensures how you would like to keep your object data secure using class access specifier like private. Second important point is usability. It provides well-defined associated public function or interfaces that can operate on data. Code readability. If you're binding your functions and data together, so any programmer, if willing to look at that code, or if somebody is browsing your code, they can predict what are the objects, what are their associated behavior, and they can easily identify the motive of your class. Fourth important point, better code maintenance. So if you are making your application with the help of classes and you are maintaining classes in a well-structured manner, then it will help in better maintenance of code. And if there is any change requires in any particular class, so that particular class needs to be updated, which means other classes will remain intact from being changed, and this way you can prevent number of bugs to be introduced into your code. Fifth important point is modularity. If we are decomposing our application into classes and objects, that brings some modularity and better handling of complex code base. So these are the key important benefits that encapsulation provides. In next video, I'm going to talk about another important OOPS principle. Till then, goodbye and wish you a very happy learning. Guys, if you enjoyed this video, please give a thumbs up, and to get more updated videos, please share and subscribe to this YouTube channel.